All right, here we are today at 804 B Winthrop Street in beautiful Goose Creek, South Carolina. Beautiful townhouse here, about 1,100 square feet. It's got a garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, wonderful starter home, and or if you want to buy it for a rental, I'm sure there's some rentals in here. Great place to walk your dog, very quiet community. The amenities are in great shape. The owner told me she really likes that. The backyard is fantastic, good sized backyard, fenced in. If you have pets, pets can run around there all day long. Hey, come on in and take a look at it with me. All right, so if you're looking for a great little starter home, 3 bed, 2 bath, and an excellent location, Goose Creek, you really can't beat it here, folks. Garage, wonderful backyard. If you're interested in seeing this one, please check out the links below. It's also listed on the MLS. We'd love to talk to you about it.